Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you how to transfer from Trust Wallet to Binance. So the first thing you'll need to do is to go over to Trust Wallet and then go over to the wallet page in the bottom left. You'll then see a screen looking similar to this one, and over on this page you need to click on Send. You'll then see this pop up, and here you'll see all the funds you have available to transfer. So for me that's only Algorand, so once you have found the coin you want to transfer, click on it. You'll then see that the first thing you need to fill in is the address you want to transfer to. So to find this address, you need to go over to Binance and then go over to Wallets in the bottom right. You'll then see a screen looking similar to this one, and over on this page you need to click on Deposit. Here you need to make sure you have crypto selected, since we're transferring crypto and not cash. You can then go over to the search bar and search for the coin you would like to transfer. So let's say I would like to transfer Bitcoin, I would go ahead and type in BTC. But since I want to transfer Algorand, I'll search for Algo. Then you need to click on the coin you would like to transfer. And over on this page, you will see your deposit address. So to copy your address, you can click on the icon to the right of your address. And as you can see, my address has been copied. Once you have copied your address, you can go back over to Trust Wallet and then click on the Paste button. Now, all that's left to do is to fill in the amount of coins you would like to transfer. You can fill in this amount manually, or you can click on Max to transfer all of the available holdings. And once you have filled in the amount you want to transfer, you can click on Next. You'll then see this confirm pop up, and please make sure to double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any mistakes, and then click on Send. And as you can see, my deposit has been successful.
If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.